Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the upcoming mobile phone from the Poco series, which is a Poco X3 smartphone. So in this video, I'll be going through the few specifications which got leaked for the Poco X3 smartphone, and I'll be talking about the processor and few of the designs of the Poco X3 smartphone as well. And here I got the Poco X2 as well on with me for the very long time, plus think close to 6 to 7 months of time. Poco X2, even I did a video on that one as well. So right now I'll be just comparing the specifications with the Poco X2 and what are the few things which I like mainly in the upcoming mobile phone Poco X3 smartphone. So this video will be very much helpful for the few of the users who are looking to buy the Poco X2, but you can wait for a little bit some time because the Poco X3 is gonna come, and definitely by looking at the price you can decide whether to buy the Poco X2 or to buy the Poco X3 device. So meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru for latest information on the smartphone gadgets and mobile phones as well. So try to check the links in description for wallpapers what I'm using in the Poco X2 smartphone. So let's get with the first thing. What got rumored is that the Poco X3 will be releasing with the Snapdragon 732G processor. So 732G processor is the first time called Snapdragon they are launching for the first series chipset, and which will be coming in the Poco X3 smartphone. So there's a few leaks got out with for the Poco X3 device. So this is a main thing, highlight thing is that Snapdragon 732G, and if you want to know what is the performance of the 732G means, it's slightly better than the 730G and 720G as well. So as you can see here, so which will be bringing the 15% improvement in terms of the GPU department. So that may not be much, but at least there is a little bit of improvement in terms of the processor right now. And the next thing is that the phone will be coming with a 64 megapixel lens, or that is I think close to this 64 megapixel lens in the Poco X2, but there is another change in terms of the charging speed rate. The Poco X3 gonna have the fast charging, which will be I think close to 33 watts charger, so which we have already seen in the Poco M2 Pro device. So right now we got the details about the processor. So next we got the details about the camera. So next again we got the details about the battery as well. Battery will be close to 4500 mAh of capacity, which is the same kind of Poco X2, and the charging speed is increased to 33 watts as you can see clearly. So 33 watt fast charging, so which can be found in the Poco X3 device upcoming phone. So next thing is about the display. The display of this phone gonna have the 120Hz OLED display maybe. So there are chances that the phone may be having the AMOLED panel as well. And there are few rumors saying that the phone might be releasing with a 765G processor as well, which is the same kind of processor which is present in the OnePlus Nord device. So maybe this might be a very good competition for the OnePlus Nord if the phone is getting launched with the Snapdragon 765G and with the 5G chipset, fast charging, and this kind of specifications with close to price range of 20,000. then definitely this phone will be going to be very hit mobile phone because of having 120Hz plus combination of having the AMOLED panels. So you don't see this kind of combination of having high refresh rate and AMOLED panels. So if you find this kind of combination, then that device will perform very good. So that is what I observed in my experience with the Realme X2 Pro, which has a 90Hz refresh rate plus a super AMOLED panel, which gives the experience very good. So these are the few specifications which got leaked on the Poco X3 smartphone, and do comment below what are your thoughts about these specifications about the Poco X3. So let me know in the comments below what are the things you like and what are the things you do expect in the Poco X3 mobile phone to be releasing. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.